Welcome everyone to second lesson of EC Math. In this video we are going to find out how to find cube of any two-digit number easily. To find the cube of any two-digit number, you should at least know the cubes of 1 to 10 by heart. I am going to write them down now. For example, cube of 1 is 1, cube of 2 is 8, cube of 3 is 27, cube of 4 is 64, cube of 5 is 125. I wrote it 25 by mistake. And cube of 6 is 216, cube of 7 is 343, cube of 8 is 512, cube of 9 is 729, and cube of 10 is 1000. You should learn them by heart if you want to learn how to find cube of any two-digit number above 10 quickly. It is not that hard. In the coming video I am going to show you a method by which your calculations will become quite fast. The only thing you need to learn is a little bit about ratios. If you want to find out cube of any two-digit number easily, just divide the digit into ratios. For example, if you want to find the cube of, let's take an example here of 24, for example. So you convert both of these digits into ratios, like 2 is to 4, as 2 is a common factor, so it can be written as 1 is to 2. This is the first step that you should know. Convert them into ratios. Let's take another number, 16. So if you want to find it cube of this number, convert it into ratios, which become 1 is to 6. These are ratios of digits with each other. This is the first and primary step that you should always remember. Now moving on. Let's take an example that suppose we want to find a cube of 16. So as I told you earlier, we convert both of these digits into ratios. So it become 1 is to 6. Now the first step is write the cube of digit at tens place. It is 1, so cube of 1 is 1. Now second step. Now as we have converted these into ratios, they can be represented in fractions. So we take 6 as numerator and 1 as denominator and multiply it by that ratio. So 1 multiplied by 6 by 1 or 6 is 6. Now third step is we again multiply this 6 by 6 is to 1 or 6, which becomes 36. So we write it down at number third place. Now the next step is that we take that 36 and again we multiply it by 6. So it becomes 216. So we write it as such. Now the half of our work is done. Now I am going to write it in a much more clearer way. We see first number was it becomes 1 6 36 and 216. Now what we do is we double the middle digits. So 6 becomes 12. We write 12 under 6, and under 36 we write 72. Now what we do is of the last number 216, we take the first digit and we write it down, and 21 we take it and write it above that, and we add all these numbers like 21, 36 and 72. So 6 plus 2 plus 1, it becomes 9. So 7 plus 3, 10 and 2, 12. So we write 12 above next digits. So 6 plus 2 plus 2 becomes 10, and we take 0 and 1 goes, that carries again forward, and it becomes 3, and we carry that 3 forward, and it becomes 3 plus 1, 4. So you see guys, this 4096 is your answer. As you see, it is a quite easy method. So let me rub it and show you guys another example. So let's say we want to find cube of 15. So we write 1:5 in ratios of both the digits. So first we write cube of 1, which is 1, then multiply it by 5 and it becomes 5. Now we take that 5 again and multiply it by 5, it becomes 25. Now we take that 25 and again multiply it by 5, it becomes 125. So we double the middle digits, 5 becomes 10, 25 becomes 50. Now we add them. So the first digit is 5, we carry the 12 to the next, and it becomes 5 plus 2, 7. Now 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. So we carry the 8 forward. 8 plus 5, 13. So we take it 3, carry the 2 forward. 1 plus 1, 2, and we carry it forward. 2 plus 1, 3. So in about 10 to 15 seconds you are able to find cube of any number. You see guys, this method is very easy. You should learn it, because if you learn it once, you are going to able to crack any exam. Either it's IBPS PO, SBI PO, SBI clerk. Let's take another example, number 27 here. Now it will become even more clear. They become 2:7 in ratios. Now first we write cube of 2, which is 8. So now we take that 8 and we multiply it by these ratios, in which 7 is a numerator and 2 is denominator. So it becomes 56 by 2, it becomes 28. So we now take that 28, we again multiply it by 7 by 2. Now it becomes 98. Now we take that 98 and again multiply it by 7 by 2. Now it becomes 343. I am going to show you all the calculations so that you can understand them easily. So now again we double the middle digits, it becomes 196 and 28 becomes 56. So we take it 3 and we carry the 34 to the next place. Now we keep adding them. Now 9 plus 1 10 and it goes forward. 32 goes forward. Now 6, we write it down and we carry 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 8, 6 plus 5 11. We carry it forward, 8 plus 1 9 and sides us. So the cube of 27 is this. So you see guys, I hope you understood the method. Now thank you for watching and consider subscribing. And guys, save trees, they are very important for our environment.